Hello, my lovely viewers. You are once again welcome to Mama Franca'S kitchen. And today on my tutorials, we are going to learn how to make Franca'S special melon milkshake. And these are my ingredients and tools. I am your host and your tutor, Mama Franca'S. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now, because we have a whole lot of tutorials there on food, beverages, cakes, pastries, marriage, videos, and that of my talk show. Also like my page on Facebook, Mama Franca'S kitchen. Let's start. 1 pound of watermelon, 2 ounces of milk, 1 tablespoon of strawberry essence, ice cubes. And the tool I'm gonna use is blender. Then I will serve with my disposable cup. But for a quick one there, if you are somebody who wants to attend the best vocational school in Ghana, then I introduce to you Franca'S Vocational School in Akuna Straight Road, where they offer courses in catering, pastry making, fashion designing, event and floral decor, cake decoration and sugar craft, building construction, and electricals. You may call 020-8159-427 and speak to the proprietress. Okay, so let's start. To prepare my special melon milkshake, you can use a frozen watermelon, but this one is not a frozen watermelon. I will urge all my students and my viewers who are watching me to learn and make business out of this, because this is my personal recipe and it's the best. Okay, so after putting in your watermelon, you now scoop in some ice cubes. This is very healthy for an adult and your children. When your children are going to school, don't buy those drinks for them. It contains a whole lot of sugar. This one is sugar free, but very nutritious. So now we cover it. Okay, so we are going to blend it. As you are watching and you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so now. I want you to become a chef in your own home. Okay, let's go. Okay, so about just a minute and 3 seconds. It's okay. So you now take it off, and we are going to strain it to take the seeds out of it, although it's blended, just that we don't want the color of the seed which is brown in it. Okay, so this is how our blended melon looks like. Now we are going to add our strawberry essence. This is the magic. So now you mix it together. I remember I had a visitor and I did this for him. He started asking me a question. What kind of taste am I tasting? Because it's not watermelon. I said you are tasting something special. I didn't tell him. So you are fortunate to learn the special tip. Before I serve, during my recipe, I gave you measurements of the things I used. I have made a tutorial of how to use the skill. So I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can check out how to use the kitchen skill. Okay, so let's go. You first and foremost have to mix it again. And then turn it into your cup. This level, I guess it's okay. Then you take your mug. Look at the trick. And you put it at the side. Look at it. It's not just going to be tasty, but it's forming a pattern or a design on the sides, which will make it more appetizing. If you want to add more milk, that is what you want. It's variation. So you can add in other milk, condensed milk, whichever milk that you want to use, fresh milk, but I use evaporated milk. Okay. I guess somebody may like to ask if they can add in ice block. No, because the watermelon itself, you already know, contains a lot of water. So adding more ice cubes is going to limit the taste. So this is okay. You cover it nicely, and then you can serve with a straw at the center. I did not use a straw because most of the disposable cups have their own way of using it. There are some that doesn't have anything at the top. You will need to remove it before drinking it. So this is the end of my special melon milkshake. Have a taste of it and you will love it. Please, if your subscription is not yet on my channel, kindly do so now. After subscribing, hit on the notification button on the side, which is in a form of a bell, so that whenever we put in new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. You can also visit my website, www.mamafranciscatotheworld, for a whole lot of articles about lab and the tutorial as well. If you want to contact me for orders or any other inquiry, call or WhatsApp +233 542 619 011. Until I come your way once again, have a nice day.